Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be doing a few fall DIYs. These two boards I got here from the Dollar Tree, and the orange acrylic paint here I got one from the Target Dollar Spot, and I got the other one from Walmart. So I'm just going to use the paint that I got from the Dollar Spot, and I thought it wasn't going to be enough, so I was going to add, kind of mix them together because it's a little small amount in each one. But this is nice and cute for fall, but I decided I had to let it dry a little bit, dry it with my heat gun, and then I would add a little bit more paint to it, the acrylic paint, because I actually picked up some from the Dollar Tree as well, but they all seem to be pretty much the same. This one's a little thinner, but once I dried it and I add a little bit more paint to it, it turned out the way that I wanted it to. And I will, add my little letters to it that I got also from the dollar store. And these are good little nice little projects if you want to add them to your tier tray, or on your mantle, or wherever you decide that you would like to put them. They work out really nice. So I turned the back of it over and decided to paint it orange. So I'm just gonna let it dry. The second coat turned out to be enough for me, and I do add a little brown. I ended up getting the brown and going around a little bit with the brown. And this is forget the name of it now. I hate that. The chalk paint. I got it from Amazon, and it's a chalk paint. I think it's in the gray family, and I don't want to say it's the elephant paint, chalk paint. I'm not sure about it right now. Don't really have it in front of me right now to know. But it did turn out nicely. And one thing I love about the chalk paint, it don't take it long to dry, and you really don't have to use a lot of it. I don't have much of it left, so this is the elephant's ear paint now that I think of it. So it turned out really nice with this color. And I've been using all different shapes, sizes, everything with pumpkins this year have been my theme. So please let me know, guys, in the notes, do you have a theme for this fall? Are you using all type of things and shapes and designs for pumpkins, or exactly what are you doing with that? So here I'm going to also let it dry, and then I will add also my my brown, a little brown paint for the stem of it, and then also to kind of add some along the sides and edges of my pumpkin. Okay, so right here I have the little wood sayings, the one gift thinks one of them, hello fall. And I think it was about 4 or 5 in a pack that I got from the Dollar Tree, which is a great um, bargain. So what I did, I used my brown acrylic paint from Walmart, and I did the stems with it, and also my wording that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I was just brushing it up a little bit here with the brown, and it turned out really cute to me. And so I just added my glue on to my words, give thanks here. I'm gonna just add my hot glue on there, and I just really love the way it turned out. And then, as I say, you can always put this your mantle, in your tier tray, wherever you like, and so and I love the way the brown turned out on with it, so I just used it on both pumpkins. I just love it. I've been, which my other videos you can go, well, I've been doing a lot of different DIYs with the pumpkins. I have the sweaters, all type of material that I've been using, and I just really love the way they're coming out. So that's my theme for the fall is pumpkins. And this is the finishing of my boards. I think it turned out really cute. Please comment and let me know what you think. Okay, now guys, right here, I got these two, I'm going to use these, my two pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I got from Goodwill these scarves. I washed them together. One is like a sweater type scarf, so the lint kind of got on this one, but I do remove it and it turned out to be fine. So I decided I'm going to use this scarf here to make another pumpkin. And like I said, I've used different materials. I've used the cloth napkins, I've used the sweater, the throws, but this I got from Goodwill, and I washed it. I think they charged it was like $3 or something like that, and I got two. I got one looked at like a sweater, and I washed them together. So this is why I'm picking up lint from that, but it's still, I remove it and it turns out fine. I just love the different looks of how the pumpkins come out. You know, we can make them to be however we like, whatever we want, you know, to fit your decor or whatever you want to do. And these, the stems I ordered from, which will be in my description below, I ordered a bag of them from Amazon, and I've noticed people say they're getting some from the Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Trees near me, I did not see any at all. So this one I did not bother to paint, and this is the sweater one that I got, scarf from Goodwill, and it got pretty linted up, but it turns out okay, I guess, from the washing of it. So I like the way it ended up turning out, even though it had, you know, lint everywhere, but it still turned out really nice. You'll be surprised at the little things you can find at some of the thrift stores to do some of your decors with. So we were in there, so I decided, so let me see, could I find, I was looking actually for a sweater, but I couldn't find one. So I was looking at the scarves, and I liked this, so I decided to try it. So it do turn out to be pretty. It was okay. I like the way it turned out. And when you're using the sweaters or something thick, sometimes you have to make the little hole a little larger, but it ended up turning out to be fine. It was a little bit on the thick side, and it wasn't quite wide enough. I didn't realize that, so I had to cut it again, but it turned out okay, I thought. So I just used my one of the stems that I got, like I said, from Amazon, and then the little green leaves I did get from off of one of the little signs that I had from the dollar store. So sometimes it's very good. I don't throw these little leaves and different things that I get. I keep them because you can always use them for another decor. And so that's what I was trying to figure out, which one I wanted to use for these, which it ended up, like I said, it turned out cute. I liked it, both of them at the end. See. And this is the finishing of my pumpkins. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think or what was your favorite. Thank you.